The recipe is available in different languages of the world. Turn on the caption, CC, and select your desired language. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Mutton boiling preparation. 1 kilogram mutton. Half cup water. 1 cup finely chopped onion. 1 cup finely chopped tomato. 2 tablespoons chopped garlic. 2 tablespoons chopped ginger. 3 tablespoons chopped green chili. Half a tablespoon salt. Mix everything nicely. Bring to one whistle, then cook for 15 minutes on slow flame. 3 tablespoons oil. 2 bay leaves. 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. Fry for a few seconds. Add boiled mutton. 2 tablespoons coriander powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 cup curd. 1 teaspoon Pandanus water. Cook on slow flame for 10 minutes. 1 tablespoon crushed black pepper. 1 teaspoon Garam Masala, recipe in the description box. 3 slit chilies. Few slices of ginger. Cook for 2 minutes on slow flame. Mutton Karahi is ready. Garnish with coriander, chili and lemon slice. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.